Classroom people, are you able to see the screen? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'm currently a working employee. I'm working as BA lead consultant. And the training duration 50 to 60 hours. I take only normal tracks, no fast tracks, no personal training. Daily training time, 1 hour. Class duration is 1 hour. Monday to Friday classes. And depending on the situation, we go for Saturday classes. In case you guys are interested, we will take Saturday. Otherwise, Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And you want to finish my classes. You want to finish my classes in 1 month. You need to attend 2 batches parallelly so that you can finish in 1 month. Or you can purchase videos. You can take personalized training from other trainers in my institute in case you're interested to do. So this is my contact number. And these are the major components I'm covering in the next 2 months. These are the major components I'm covering in the next 2 months. First one, power platform understanding.
Yeah. Hi, Vinay.
Okay.
Good evening. Your screen is not been shared. We are able to see only Sri Vinaytech like that.
These are the components I'm covering in the next 2 months compared to other institutions in online channels. Huge content I'm covering. Huge content. Power platform understanding I'll give you.
Sir, I have
Power
one question.
Power BI desktop and DAX I will cover. Power BI service I will cover. Server I will cover. Power BI report builder I will cover. SQL sessions 3 to 4 hours I'm taking in the session. SQL sessions 3 to 4 hours. But this is not sufficient for interviews and to work happily in the organizations. Once again, I'm telling you, SQL 3 to 4 hours not sufficient. This is to connect and work with databases and evaluate data in Power BI. I will explain. But you need to learn SQL Server or Oracle, any database for 1 month or 45 days to get overall awareness, overall understanding. In this class, it is not possible to cover complete SQL content. In case I started covering, I need to skip Power BI content. So dedicated Power BI classes 56 hours and 3 to 4 hours SQL classes. And some additional sessions also I'm conducting. MSBA cubes, Microsoft Business Intelligence cubes, tabular cubes for 3 to 4 hours I will cover. When you work in the projects, you need to work on versioning tools. GitHub is a versioning tool. I will cover on GitHub. And compulsory we
Sir,
need
I
to
have one
perform.
question.
Sir, I will
Sir, I
give
have
you
one
time,
question.
then you can ask me, sir. Every 15 minutes, I will give a break. Kindly ask your questions in that span. So report testing also I will cover. Report testing. I'll give you 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. So these real-time projects, near real-time projects and case studies, if you practice, maximum assignments in the organizations you can fulfill. Maximum assignments in the organization you can fulfill. So these are the components and in detail components I'm covering in the next 2 months. If you question yourself, why should I take training? Many YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, and Udemy and many available. Why should I go for training institute for training? If you want a systematic training, real-time oriented training, end-to-end, you want to know detail, possible only in the training institute level. That are good training institutes. You will get some ad hoc knowledge, random knowledge, dynamic knowledge through the videos of YouTube, Udemy, etc., but not in detail. But if you want in detail, yes, take from a proper trainer who is taking in detail training. Otherwise, you learn just visuals, drag and drop, some data sets usage, some concepts implementation, not more than that. But in and out, you want to see compulsory, you should learn from a systematic trainer. And this is a first day agenda. I will start in another 3-4 minutes. These components, okay. What exactly we are covering in the next 2 months? Next 2 months, we are covering, so we are providing along with the components, a good theory and practical material. It is a spoon feeding way material. You can easily go through it and you can easily practice it. Live class videos I will share. Daily video you will receive, so you can go for practice. The training is fully practical oriented training. And you will have interaction with me during the class. You can stop me multiple times and you can ask me your questions. I'm very friendly for your questions and concerns. Resume preparation will help you in the resume preparation. We'll conduct resume preparation sessions, will help you in the resume preparation. One WhatsApp group also created. One WhatsApp group also created to address your questions, concerns, to intimate updations, etc. FAQs also discussed wherever possible, whenever possible. And my course is dedicated for these opportunities. You can try as a Power BI developer plus DAX. DAX is a language which we use in Power BI plus SQL. My training is suitable for this. And you can try as a support resource in the market, Power BI support resource. You can try as an admin resource in the market. You can try as a fresher in the market. But already you are having MSBA knowledge, a Tableau ClickView knowledge, and the combination you want to try, your wish. And Azure awareness you have, or Azure components knowledge you are having, you can try in this combination. So these are the different opportunities right now available in the market. You can try with less than 5 years, dedicated 5 years. My course and knowledge is sufficient till 5 years experience you can keep in the resume. Dedicated experience, Power BI experience, but beyond that not possible because modeling knowledge, designing knowledge, architecting knowledge is required. It comes up with only work experience. When you work with 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end implementation, or at least partial implementation, then only you can try for these positions. With the learning, not possible. Right. I'm concluding from this. We will give you one folder access for 1.5 year, where we place daily videos. For each and every batch, we create folders like this. Let us take 7 AM batch, February batch. 7 AM February. First folder, demo video, query, pivot, model videos. One by one, first demo, second demo, discussion, everything. Whether you attend or not, you'll get all the videos. Even you're absent for the classes, no worries. You can go through it and follow it. This is case study practice. This is DAX sessions. And this is Power BI server, report server classes, on-premises classes. 95% institutions are not covering this. Report servers, 95% institutions. Online anyway, you will not find it. And Power BI service classes, very detailed classes, 10 to 12 classes. And Power Apps and reporting, report embedding, tabular cube classes, resume preparation interview guidance sessions. And projects covering. So 1-2 projects I will cover, the project covering videos. So whatever I will cover, I will provide everything here. You can go through it. And even the headings also very clear for your reading. And I will give you one lab backup and one material as well. So this is a material. So this is a material, I'll give it to you. This is a material. So where you find Power BI Desktop, Service Server, all the PDFs. This is desktop material. I only prepared with my experience. Service material, server material, Microsoft Flow and apps understanding material. Power BI projects and case studies. Real-time issues. Interview questions and project tools. Resumes. Many resumes I'm going to provide you. Good resume and general resume. See, many general resumes. And good resumes 5 or 6 with good format and content. Even resume points. Azure and Power BI combination, MSBI Power BI combination are only Azure. So only Power BI. SSA's tabular cube materials, SQL Server materials. So this is the folder you will receive after joining to the institution. So one folder for materials, all types of materials, one folder for videos. These two sufficient for your happy and easy, simple learning. Okay, so do you have any success rate in the market? Anybody selected from your organization? Anybody got jobs in the organization? Classroom people, you can see the notice board last 1 week. How many people got jobs? Just WhatsApp screens. We did not display the photos, names, videos, etc. We don't publish much. Now, so I will show you a couple of screenshots. Right. So we have very good success rate in the market. The people who studied strongly, they're able to crack the interviews properly. Genuinely, they are trying and getting the jobs in the market. Right. So let me start the session. What exactly you need to know before you enter into Power BI? Am I eligible or not? First one, qualifications. Now, any degree graduate can learn. BA, BCom graduate can also learn. And recently, there are many BA, BCom graduates who got job and surviving well in the organizations. More than 100 or 150 people I have seen recently in the last 3 to 4 months. So no qualification, any degree is fine. Now prerequisite. If you have knowledge on Excel, basic Excel, added advantage. If you have knowledge on SQL, advantage, but not compulsory. So which one shall I need to learn? Excel first or SQL first or Power BI? You can directly start a Power BI, no worries. You will not get any confused. You can directly start up with Power BI. And after Power BI starting, you can parallelly start SQL Server or Oracle learning. You can start parallelly in case you wish to do. Otherwise, no prerequisite. But what I need to know if I want to join in the organizations, first one, SQL basics. There are 7 to 8 topics available. Those you need to have good knowledge. Only 78 topics. Next, data warehouse and business intelligence, understanding compulsory. Second one.
That, sir?
Next, third one, Power BI, detailed understanding. These 3 are compulsory if you want to try as a Power BI developer in the market. And I'm going to cover all the three, but SQL only 4 hours. Within the 4 hours, I'll give just heads up on this, not detailed part, but you need to learn detailed part. Okay, good. Right, now let me start the part. What is Power BI? So Power BI is one of the component under Power Platform. Kindly look at the screen. It is one of the component under Power Platform till 2019. Till 2019, Power BI standalone. Individual, but now it is under Power Platform. Then what is Power Platform? So Microsoft added multiple services, into one platform
వాటర్ బాటిల్ కూడా
with
తీసుకొస్తాం
less code,
మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుందా వాటర్ బాటిల్ వాటర్
Less.
బాటిల్ తీసుకుంటాం కూలింగ్ అవును you take this
with less code and more GUI. The platform is Power Platform. So in this platform, you will be finding multiple services with less code and more GUI. The first one is Power BI. Second one, Power Automate. Third one, Power Apps. Next one, Virtual Agent. This year, Microsoft added one more. This year, in the month of June only, they added one more, Power Pages. So do you need to have knowledge on this? Compulsory. At least what each component does, you need to have knowledge. I'm going to cover in detail about Power BI, and I'll give you understanding about Power Automate with 2 to 3 hour practical, Power Apps with 2 to 3 hour practical. The next future, next market is Power Platform only. Okay, so Power Platform providing multiple services, fine. Then what exactly Power BI does? So before knowing to this, go to this hierarchy. What is data? What is BA application? So IT application. What is BA application? And then what is Power BI? This hierarchy you need to learn. In case you want to enter into this stream, this hierarchy you should have good knowledge. This hierarchy you should have good knowledge. Let me explain by typing in the notepad. Kindly focus. So what we need to have knowledge? Data to Power Platform hierarchy knowledge. Then what is data? I'm starting from scratch. Kindly focus. Multiple important things you will come across in this session. Multiple important things. So first I'm starting with data. Anything you are able to store in IT is called data. Anything. We have 3 types of data now. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are working with all the types daily. First one, structured data. Here the data in table format, you can say column by column format. So databases are the best example. Excel is one more example. And there are a couple of other structured applications. Column by column data. Second one, semi-structured data. Partial structure. Not fully, partial. And for this, we go for log files. Event viewers. Journal files. These all come under semi-structured. If you go to Windows log, this is your Windows machine. If you go to Windows log, there you will find very clearly He is a user connected, so and so time connected, so and so applications open, so and so applications closed. It will give you a track of operations. So that is semi-structured. So here fully structured data and here semi-structured data. Third one, unstructured data. Your social media data, no structure at all. Your satellite signals, no structure. And your documents data like PDF document, Word document, etc. data, unstructured. That's the reason I use the word knowingly or unknowingly daily we are working on it. Structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Sir, is it really important to know? Yes. In Power BI, we're going to work on all the types of data. All the types of data. Next. Right. So where exactly we use this data? So majorly two types of IT applications. First one, business processing applications. Second one, business analysis applications. Stay tuned till end. Definitely you like this content. First one, business processing applications. These are technically called as OLTP, online transaction processing applications. Here we use one front end, one back end. The front end may be web, the front end may be desktop, the front end may be a mobile or tab app. And mostly the back end is databases, files, etc. Example of these applications, IRCTC, Book My Show, etc. And this is operated by general public. General public. Okay. So you open IRCTC web application or you open IRCTC mobile or tab app. You book the ticket. The data stored like this. PNR number, amount, start station, end station, number of passengers, date of booking, etc. And the most important, train number, etc. This is the information structured way it will store. So you can say the transactional data is called structured data. Transactional data applications are called structured data applications. Even you get the message at the end. If it is successful, transaction successful. If it fails, transaction fail. This is the reason technically we call these applications as OLTP, online transaction processing applications. Logically you speak business processing applications. This is a first category. Since 1940, all IT companies focus only on this. How to store business data, how to keep our day-to-day business information in the IT. But 90 onwards, as the data increased, as the data increasing in the IT storages, there is a challenge for analysis. There's a challenge for analysis. So BA applications or analytical applications, which can also be called decision-making applications. Some people also call it as BA applications because they provide intelligent data of the business. And that intelligent data is suitable for decision-making. In case proper decision-making you have, in case you have proper decision making, you will see better growth in the organizations. So that's the reason these applications need was there at 90s. So you will find these applications after 90s only. Before 90s, it was not available. What is BI? Simple meaning, business intelligence. You can say intelligence to the business. So what is intelligence? Decision making. You will call one person as an intelligent person. How come? If his decision making is correct, his thought process is correct, we feel like he's an intelligent guy. The same thing. The need of intelligence came to the picture early 90s. And even the BA applications available after 90s only. But initial BA applications, business intelligence applications, are called legacy BA applications. And here the capability also limited capability. Sir, can you tell me one example for BA data? This is normal data. Just ticket booking information. Coming to BA level, we don't bother about ticket booking. These applications suitable for managers, or analysts, or CEOs, or vice presidents, etc. people. These applications. And the example of data they analyze. How many trains having full booking? Trains having normal booking. Trains having no booking. These are decision making. A region having highest sale of tickets. Train having highest booking all times. All the seasons. So this is called BA data, business intelligent data, and this is called normal data. You can say transactional data. And these applications will convert this data into this kind of data. That's the reason we call these applications as BA applications, decision-making applications, or analytical applications. So normal data, data to BA data. This conversion applications are called BA applications. But what exactly they do? They implement a process called BA process. To convert normal data into BA data, we need BA application, and the process is called BA process. Sir, how do we convert? It's not a simple task. It's not very simple to convert this data into that. We need a lot of process, and that we implement using layers. First, the data processed using ETL layer and stored into huge storage data warehouse. We'll get the data and process through one layer and load into huge storage. Later, we create semantic components. Finally, we use presentation layer where we present the data using reports or dashboards. And this data used by management team. That's why this is called BA data. So to convert your normal data to BA data, BA applications and BA process required. And to do this, this is a BA process required: ETL processing, data warehouse processing, semantic components, presentation. This is a standard BA process given in early 90s. Let me show you graphically. This is a standard BA process. General public, transactional data. And this is a BA process. Finally, management will see the reports and dashboards where BA data presented. And this is a first layer where we get the daily data and load into huge storage. Technically, we call it as a warehouse. Once the huge storage is ready, these kind of components we create to take required data and to keep required aggregates, sum, average, minimum, maximum, etc. Why, sir? And this is good for fastest reporting and better reporting. As part of reporting, some people say presentation, we use report or dashboard terminology, or we create report or dashboard components. So the management team or analytical team use these only as part of their analysis or decision making. As part of the decision making or analysis. So first layer, data gathering. Second layer, huge storage. Third layer, semantic processing. Fourth layer, presentation. These four compulsory in the BA projects to generate a proper BA data for the management. Wherever you go, whatever it may be the company, the same layers you will find, no doubt. But what will be changing? The tools they are using may be changing. The tools they are using may be changing. So for this, Informatica, data stage, Ab initio, etc. tools we use. For warehousing process, Teradata, Oracle, SQL Server, these kind of we use. For cubes, Hyperion, HANA, etc. we use. Reporting, Cognos, BO, etc. we use. These are legacy BA tools, and the process is the legacy process. Even you start an organization, you need analysis for your organization. Compulsory, the same process you have to implement. The tools may vary. What may vary? Tools. Sir, what exactly you're going to explain? The same thing I'm going to write here, concentrate. Initial BA applications, limited capability. First one, multiple tools required for multiple layers. Multiple resources required. You can say multiple teams, ETL team, warehousing team, reporting team, etc. Multiple setups required because of multiple layers, and also reporting capability very less. So what do you mean by very less? Limited users only access. Limited reports only we can create. Limited data only they will present. These are all the restrictions. Initial BA level. Initial BA. So first time one organization came with one wonderful solution to overcome this multiple tools, multiple layers, multiple resources, that is Microsoft. First organization who came up with end-to-end solution. And the proudly launched product in 2005 is MSBA. MSBA available as a suite in the market, which is having multiple tools, integration services, SS for SQL Server, SQL Server integration services in place of this, SQL Server analysis services in place of this, SQL Server reporting services in place of this. First time one organization with end-to-end solution, that is MSBA. As a suite, multiple tools. It was announced in 2005. Okay. Before I continue with this, let me put in words. Sir, you said report or dashboard and BA data. What is report? What is dashboard? A report. Individual operation specification component. Individual operation. Many visuals it can show. What is visual? A component with the data or data plus graphical. It could be anything. That is called visual. Many visuals, more sized visuals. An organization may have multiple reports. Coming to dashboard, a specific subject area reports. Subject area, high level data presentation. Limited visuals and cute visuals we will take here. Some people say multiple reports information, consolidated area, multiple individual operations. If you consolidate in a single area, that is called a dashboard. Take savings account, banking account. Example, withdraw report, deposit report. You may have multiple reports in the organization, but dashboard level, we will take like this: savings account dashboard with deposits and withdraw. So this is the difference. One low level data, this is low level. One high level data. Low level regarding operation and high level regarding a subject area. And this is the output in the BA level. That output only used by BA team, analytical team as part of their analysis. So you guys going to generate reports and dashboards after joining in the organizations. You all decided to generate these two. That's the reason you're attending a demo. So what exactly you're going to generate? Report or dashboard. Excellent. What is report? What is dashboard? I explained. Right. Coming to MSBA. Microsoft Business Intelligence. Sir, do I need to learn about MSBA or do I need to know all these details? Yes, absolutely required. Before Power BI, Microsoft having wonderful one more BA component, MSBA. So first you need to have little understanding what is MSBA, what it is lagging or lacking, so that Microsoft move to Power BI. That you need to know. Even MSBA, Power BI combination projects also available in the market. Even Power BI inspired from MSBA components only. Then what exactly MSBA having and not having? Now we need to discuss. Today, complete demo part. In today's demo, theoretical part, I'm going to explain. Complete history from data to platform understanding in detail. And next demo, second demo, full practical demo. First 10 minutes just theory, next 40-50 minutes practical. Second demo on Monday, that is practical demo. This is history of Power BI demo. Microsoft Business Intelligence, introduced in 2005. It's a suite with multiple tools. Major tools are SSIS, SSAS, SSRS. And there are a couple of other tools available, DQS and MDS also available. But majorly these three. What's the advantage when compared to legacy? Advantage when compared to legacy. Simple to install, comma, single suite for end-to-end operations. See the word single suite with multiple operations for end-to-end operations. Single suite. So single or multiple resources they can recruit. More friendly for Microsoft applications. Only Microsoft applications is more friendly. But there are some drawbacks. I will tell you what are the drawbacks. 2005, it was announced. 2005. But Google, very popular, Facebook, Twitter, and many social media applications released, announced after 2005 only. See the point? After 2005 only, Google, Facebook, Twitter, many got popularity and they were introduced. Facebook maybe 2007, right? And cloud available end of 2009. And mobile apps and tab apps, these also available after 2012. After 2012 only, mobile and tab apps are available. Before that, it was not available. They were not available. And these features missing in MSBA because it was designed by considering the market before 2005. But these are all the challenges after 2005. IT level 2000 before 2005, after 2005, there are many changes. So Microsoft tried its best by giving good versions. First version MSBA 2005, next version MSBA 2008, MSBA 2008 R2, 2012, 2014, 2016, 2017, and 2019, 2022. These are MSBA versions. So why is there these many versions? So Microsoft tried its level best to add multiple market features, and they took 2 to 3 years of time and released multiple components in the succeeded versions. ఒక్కో version లో ఒక్కో కాంపోనెంట్ యాడ్ చేస్తూ ఒక్కొక్క ఫీచర్ యాడ్ చేస్తూ వచ్చారు. And from 2008 onwards, this is the most important point. From 2008, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI. Till this date, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI because of MSBA. You want to see? I'll show you the statistics. So Microsoft named a leader in 2022, Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platform. These are not fake ratings or fake statistics, genuine statistics. Gartner, they rated like this, you can read it. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant. How come, sir? This was brought by Microsoft MSBA. MSBA. Now Power BI continuing it. Power BI continuing the fame, but started with MSBA. And these are the BA tools and rating of Microsoft. Microsoft is the leader, and Salesforce, Tableau, ClickView, these are all somewhere. These are all just challenges. You don't worry about Microsoft Power BI market or MSBA market or Azure BI market. Microsoft is the leader. The leader is not having market. What about all these tools? 15th consecutive year. This is one organization who said like this. And there is one more organization, Forrester Wave. So Microsoft named a leader on the Forrester Wave, augmented BA platforms. They also said the same thing. They're not saying one of the top BA tool, leader only. And my sincere request, people who are passionate about BA, IT, and who wants to get more knowledge, kindly go through these links. I'm going to share the notepad file after the session. Kindly go through this. If somebody asks you, why are you learning Power BI? I had calls are less. The tool is a very normal tool. Then this will give you the better answer and perfect answer. Don't ask your friends. See the statistics, see the market, see the industry, and then you take your decision. Right. So MSBA multiple versions from 2008, Microsoft brought the market as an analytic, so as a leader in the analytics and BA. All of you okay? But then why Power BI, sir? It is leader since 2008. Then why Power BI? That I am going to explain. These are all lagging in Power BI level, so my MSBA level. Many people question Microsoft. You don't have cloud operations. You don't have mobile and tab app facility to operate. Mobile and tab facility in the sense, customers expecting their report and dashboard in the tab level, in the mobile app level, customers. Not possible. Microsoft MSBA reports, you cannot see in the mobile or tab level. Cloud level also you cannot place. And if you want data from Google or Facebook or Twitter in the reporting level, not possible. So many drawbacks. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release one more BA component? By adding more power to the existing BA. By adding more power to the existing BA. That's why they named it Power BA. It's not an accidental name. Power BA, adding more power to the existing BA. That existing BA is MSBA. So what kind of power? First one, cloud operations. The best BA tool in the market with cloud operations is Microsoft. Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. Cloud operations, it will provide support. Second one, mobile and tab friendly. Complete the design, the architecture of Power BI suitable for mobile and tab friendly reports. Next, any type of data, anywhere data, any format data, it will support. Hundreds of sources. You can work in the real time. Take MSBA. MSBA level, you can generate a report from limited sources. 8 to 12 sources only you can use, like file, database, cube, etc. 8 to 12. But Power BI, hundreds of sources you can connect. Next, embedding possible. This is your Facebook page. Your Facebook page. You want to show Power BI report on Facebook page. Yes, possible. That is called embedding. If you want to show Power BI report or dashboard in Facebook page or your company blog, your company website level, possible. That is embedding. On top of all, it is a self-service BA application. Single application. That application name is Power BI Desktop. single application to perform end-to-end BI operations. No need of multiple tools, no need of multiple resources. One single Power BI resource can perform end-to-end operations. These are the market challenging features Power BI has. That's the reason they named it as powering BI or adding power to BI. Okay. Right. Let me explain graphically here. I told you MSBI suit multiple tools, 1, 2, 3, or 4 to perform end-to-end operations. Coming to Power BI level, single application is there. The name is desktop, Power BI desktop, which will perform this operation using a concept called Power Query, which will perform this operation using a concept called pivot and view, which will perform this operation using a concept called Power View and Map. So single application with multiple concepts, you can implement end-to-end process. Is this beautiful? Initially, multiple tools, multiple resources. Later, single suite, multiple tools. Now, single application, multiple concepts. Single application, multiple concepts. This is a major reason why people running behind Power BI. This is a major reason. One single application where you can perform end-to-end BI operations. One single application. That's the reason different people say Power BI differently. These are the definitions. Powering BI, adding power to BI, simple, cute definition. Some people pronunciate a self-service BI application or software as service. Microsoft saying it is a business analytics service that deliver insights. Insights meaning visuals with more data. For what? Fast and informed decisions. This is Microsoft definition. Some other people say Power BI is a self-service, cloud support. Nowadays on-premises. On-premises in the sense, in your company level, you can keep the reports and manage. Cloud indicate Microsoft storage level. You will place and manage. Today, you will get your video in Google Cloud. That is Google Drive. Even you guys keeping your mobile backup in Google Drive, Google Cloud, or Samsung Cloud, Apple Cloud, somebody else storage. So Power BI available in the cloud, Power BI available on-premises. Any type of data it can load, and data modeling supported, and something. So multiple definitions from multiple experts. Are you okay? Good. So that's a major reason why Power BI having monthly updates. No versions. Power BI level, you don't find versions. You are just having monthly updates. And it was announced in July 2013 till this month, July 2022. Each month we have updates. So here two more points. Power BI announced in July 2013. And we are having only monthly update and no versions. Why, sir? This kind of culture. MSBA level, we have versions. Every 2 year, 3 year, there is a release with features. But why here? Microsoft want to maintain its position. They want to retain their position as a leader. So they're observing complete market And continuously the market they are observing what are the changes happening, immediately they are adapting it. In case you release a new product in IT, immediately they will approach you. We are having one triple reporting service, analytical service, data science service, AI service, and could you please join with us? They will approach you, and you will find in the next month update. So and so company also accepted to join with us. And this is the reason why Power BI having more market. Understood now? Yes. So last couple of minutes, I explained about what is data, how many types of data available. 3 types of data available. And how many IT applications use the data? 2 types. One is business processing, second one, analytical. And we guys not planning for business processing. We are planning for analytical processing. As part of analysis, since 2000, so since 90, we have multiple applications. They are in multiple layers, multiple tools, multiple people. But with MSBA, little burden reduced. One single suite with multiple tools for end-to-end BA process. So MSBA will take your data and convert into BA data with multiple tools in it. But there are a couple of drawbacks. Modern data changes, modern IT changes not available in MSBA. So Power BI level, Microsoft added all, and they're continuously monitoring the market. That's the reason they're having one more concept called monthly update. Sir, can I see the updates? Yes. You can see. See, July 2022. So these are all the monthly updates from July 2013. Every month we have an update. No versions. Sir, you said self-service BA application. Can you do a practical? Can you take some data? Can you convert BA data from that by using this application? That I'm going to do in the next session. That is on Monday. Today, just I given awareness about data, BA applications, IT applications, Power BI, what type of features it has, why it is a leader, what type of process it has, that I explain. On Monday, I will explain you practical part. And I'm concluding. So this is the content I'm going to cover. Power Platform understanding, desktop and DAX detail, Power BI service, server, report builder, SQL session, MSBA cubes. GitHub practice, 2 near real-time projects practice, multiple case studies practice. And I'll give you, as I said, theory, practical material, live class videos. Whatever I mentioned here, I will be providing. And after this class, whoever provided email address and mobile number, they will receive the same demo doc, same video, as well as the document which I typed. Not only this, couple of additional documents I'm going to give you. So read it today and tomorrow. Feel comfortable and join on Monday for practical discussion. If you have any queries at the beginning of the session, kindly ask. Try to clear all your theoretical and practical doubts.
Sir, I have
Before
one
you go
query.
for 1 second, sir. Before you go for regular class.
Sir, just
If you got
simple one query.
give me a minute, sir. I'm closing it. So before you take a decision, attend thoroughly these 2 days and go through the documents also. You will get some good knowledge. That is added advantage to you. And my classes start from basics to advanced level. I will start from very basics to advanced level. But what all you require is to attend my classes, patience. Patience is required if you want to attend all my classes, because 2 months in detail course with multiple components, all the components suitable for your knowledge. I'm done with the demo, and practical demo I planned for Monday at 5 o'clock.
Just one query, sir.
Practical demo. And you can call me in between 11 to 6 or night 9 to 10 today for your queries, questions. Till Monday, evening, you can call me. Even Monday also, after Monday also the same time, you can follow and call me. There are multiple students and they're in touch with me for different types of queries, and they're taking guidance very frequently from me. So we have a wonderful
Sir,
student
just
base.
one question.
We have wonderful student base. So you don't worry, we respect students. We love taking classes properly with commitment. I'm